and Lakshmi Narayan on the same same stage is a miracle, and I think we have achieved the miracle today. And I was just thinking what the reason could be. Of course, we were lucky, that is one thing. But also it showed the tremendous commitment they have for entrepreneurship as such, and also for all the initiatives we are doing, both as IIT Madras Alumni Association mentoring program as well as TIE. So my first vote of thanks goes to Lakshmi Narayanan, Ashok Jhunjhunwala and Kalpati Suresh. Thank you so much. And I think the panel had equally eminent personalities. And for me, even though I'm associated with entrepreneurship and TIE, I learned a lot. And especially Professor L.S. Ganesh, I think, in terms of how you were able to bring out what CTIDES and the student entrepreneurs have achieved. I think it shouldn't be a well-kept secret. It should be open. It should be more open, and there is just proved that there is a well-developed ecosystem already existing in IIT Madras, and I can only imagine if that ecosystem worked more closely with the TIEs of the world. I think we have, I don't see why we cannot have a Stanford kind of a story here. So I want to thank everyone on the panel for accepting our invitation, and also for sharing your very valuable insights. Hopefully now all of us are well informed about what the ecosystem provides, and it serves as an encouragement for those who are aspiring to be entrepreneurs. I also want to thank all of you for attending, and I think we are hoping that one of the reasons why you all registered is that we are going to track how many of you are going to be entrepreneurs 1 year from now, and probably we will recognize those who attended today, and it's just the start of a journey, and something which helps you to think of entrepreneurship, if not today or tomorrow, but maybe a few weeks or maybe a few months from now. When Ravi asked me to do the vote of thanks, I was wondering in what capacity should I do it, because I'm involved with all the 3 institutions which made this event happen, and it was very clear that the whole thing was spearheaded by the IIT mentoring program, and I think under Ravi's able leadership. So I think we need to have a lot more programs like this. And this could not have happened without the strong support and commitment we had from IIT MA itself, IIT Madras Alumni Association, the office bearers. We have Madhu here, Gopi, president, couldn't be here today. So they organized the event, they sponsored the event, they hosted the event. So thank you so much for being so supportive of this initiative. I also, now wearing that hat, I also have to now thank TIE. And I think I think TIE was able to add a lot of value, in terms of bringing the structuring the program, bringing the right speakers and panelists, and also making sure that many of our charter members are here, and you have an opportunity to network with them during the dinner break. So I want to mention that many of our TIE charter members are here, so feel free. They're all entrepreneurs. Feel free to interact with them and build a relationship. And that mentoring relationship we heard so much about today. So thanks to all of you, and I hope that, I just want to summarize that there are 3 important messages which I thought we should all take away from this. One is that it's a great time to join the gold rush. Anyone disagrees? Okay. Second is that there is an ecosystem to support you. It is there at IIT and it's there outside. So that's the second message. And the third one is seize the moment. Thank you.